All right, yeah, there we go. Okay, so yeah, welcome to Brisk Bite Stream Edition. So today, you see this model right here? This is the Holler Boy. This is the original Holler Boy. You may recognize him from some animations from if you ever been to the Holler Vimeo or YouTube, you've probably seen him on there. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remake him today. As you can see right now, his poly count it's a little low. He just doesn't have that much detail to him, and I kind of want to make a new character anyways, and just change up some things about him. But rather than changing his original design, I'd rather just change it from the start, just do it all over again. So, and do it live here on the stream. So let's just jump right into it. Let's do this again here. In front, that's not what I want for front. I want this guy for front. I want the front for front. And then I want to go to right, and I should be able just to throw that in. No, but it changes that one. Yeah, I want that one. Let's go. It's not working like I want it to. Maybe we just should throw it directly on it. Okay. Okay, sounds good. All right, I think we might be ready to begin the blend. So let's make a cube. And first thing I'm gonna do, make a loop cut. I'm gonna do the traditional way. I usually make these models. All right. And let's add a mirror modifier, and we will make sure clipping's on. Front. Wow, okay, that's terrible spelling. That's bad spelling. Okay, so now we got the box in. So now whenever any changes I make to that, it'll make changes to the other side too. Let's go ahead and get this lined up with his body. And of course his body is not symmetrical, but that's okay. We're gonna be doing everything on this side. We don't pay too much attention to this side. Everything over here is gonna be mirrored over there, so should not be too much of a problem. For his arms, I'm not going to model his arms out. I'm gonna get his body going. I'm gonna just start with getting the basic geometry of it. So let's just. and then add a loop cut right there. Jump that up a little bit. Then we go down here and define it a little bit. Yeah, that's better. I like that. And then that can go there. So, if we went cubey hands, it would kind of match his style with a more of a circular. So maybe we want to do like small cube fingers. So maybe we want to like make a new cube. And let's go and start with the largest little finger here. So this is a hand of my own creation. Let's see if I can actually create me own little fingers. Nope. Now let's pull the reference out. Oh, now that thumb looks way too long. Come on. Let's go ahead and lengthen his shoulders here. I mean his arms. Do. All right, yeah, it's coming together. So yeah, we can get rid of this arm. Zoop, zoop, zoopity boop bop. There we go. Oh, I gotta turn that on. Hello. All right, so his hair will be just the top of his mesh, and then we'll let it be mirrored for now. That's fine. It's no big deal. Let's see, I'm gonna get the grease pencil out. I wanna go ahead and add some of that little bit of textured hair to him I like doing. Ink pen, let's see how that looks. Yeah, it's a little thick. Let's tone down that thickness. So we want like a cowlick. Yeah, okay, that might be okay. So we go down to colors and we just give that, just fill that in. Of course it won't be that simple though. Why would it be? Let's hide that hair real fast. And we will just fill that in. And then we should be able to fill that in. There we go. All right. Oh, okay, let's see if that looks okay. And I need to attach his arms. So when I need to attach his arms, I need to make his body, need to define it. His legs are definer than his, but it's coming together. It is coming together. This is the original guy. Did I actually improved upon him, or did I just make him again? I think improved because he has an actual body now rather than some shirts. So this geometry is pretty simple on him. I was learning a lot about how animating during this time, so I made a lot of vertices, made a lot of them around like where his legs and stuff would be. I think this one's fine. I think it's bad. I think the new one's better because the new one obviously has hands, so that's an obvious improvement. Other than that, he just has more vertices. Let's see. Let's hide. Let's see what's going on top of there. Wow, his head, I forgot that was filled out. Yeah, they had nasty hair. Yeah, his head is more just, not really human, but it's flat. So this was the original. Also, this new one, his T-pose is just up like that rather than down, which it's better. And it's just up like that. His head is a little fatter, but it's got more vertices. We will probably add like subtle little marks into his face. He needs, but I don't know how much we're gonna go into his face. We'll see. We shall see about that. But there's a new animation coming up. One reason why we I kind of reworked him. So if you like animations, we're writing out the story today or tomorrow. So get ready for that. So I'm Adrian, and we'll holler at you later. Don't forget to hit that follow button. You know, with your help, we can be up there with Fortnite. I'll holler at y'all later. So this is actually what the Holler Boy looked like after the stream. So after I finished the stream, I finished it up, tried to, make his chest look a little less squarish. It's still a little, and I also messed with the textures, the materials, that way they weren't so glossy and all that. Try to give him more of a cartoony look. But he's still not finished yet. We're still looking at adding a face onto him, which was an animation, which if you want to see that animation, the link is in the description. His hands were also fixed a little bit, so they just kind of connected better.